In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Insightly to track sales. To get started, log into Insightly and look at the left-hand navigation bar. This is where you will move between key areas like opportunities and reports. Tracking sales in Insightly starts by creating an opportunity, because that is the record that holds your deal value, expected close date, and where it sits in your sales process. In the left bar, select Opportunities, then choose New Opportunity. This opens a form where you will enter the core details for the deal. First, type a clear opportunity name. Use something that will be easy to recognize later, such as the company or deal type, because this name will show up in lists and reports. Next, enter the value. This is the expected revenue amount for the deal, so use your best current estimate and keep the format consistent with how your team tracks revenue. Then add the projected close date. This date is important for forecasting, so choose the most realistic close date you have based on the current conversation. After that, select the correct pipeline and stage. The pipeline represents the overall sales process you are using, and the stage shows where this specific deal currently stands, such as early qualification or a later negotiation phase. Picking the right stage matters because it is what powers your pipeline visibility and keeps reporting accurate. Once you have confirmed those choices, select Save to create the opportunity. Now open the opportunity record you just created. Inside the record, go to the Activity tab. This is where you document what is happening with the deal over time. From here, you can log a call to capture the details of a conversation or add a note to record updates like next steps, decision makers, or key requirements. Keeping these activities up to date helps you stay organized and makes it easier to review deal history quickly. Finally, to see your sales progress in a visual report, go back to the left bar and select Reports, then choose Opportunity Reports. From the available report options, select Opportunity Pipeline Funnel. This view helps you track how opportunities are distributed across stages, so you can see where deals are building up and where you may need more follow-up to keep sales moving forward. That covers everything you need to know.